Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving the airplane is ready. Power up battery/generator and avionics, and confirm the aircraft actually has an autopilot. Once done, fly a stable, wings-level attitude at a safe cruise speed and trim so the aircraft holds itself. Next, enable the flight director and the autopilot master switch on the panel. This readies the system to accept lateral and vertical commands. Do this now so the autopilot won't try to fight an unstable airplane when engaged. With the system powered, dial in your targets. Set the desired altitude on the altitude selector and choose a vertical capture mode such as vertical speed or altitude hold. Then pick lateral guidance. Select heading hold for manual heading or NAV to capture a GPS or VOR course. Make sure the flight director is displaying commands so you can verify what the autopilot will follow. Once you've set altitude, heading/course, and any flight director guidance, the autopilot is configured. Now engage autopilot using the AP Engage button on the panel or the toggle autopilot key, default Z, so the system takes control. Immediately verify it follows the flight director bars, captures your set altitude cleanly, and trims to relieve control pressures. Monitor navigation tracking for any cross-track error. If it doesn't engage or behaves oddly, don't panic. Ensure avionics and AP master stayed on, the flight director is active, and the chosen lateral/vertical modes are valid for that aircraft. This is the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.